Hey everyone, welcome! If this video feels a little fast at any point, don't worry, just pause and take your time. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up and use this budget planner. It looks like a lot, but I promise it's simpler than it seems. Let's dive in. Getting started. First things first, open up the Instructions tab and give it a quick read. It'll help you navigate the spreadsheet smoothly and avoid any accidental formula breaking. We've all been there. Now, head over to the Setup tab. This is where you enter your personal info, your name, the budget year, and your monthly income. I've already filled in some demo data to speed things up, but you'll replace it with your own. Below that, you'll see the expense categories. Customize these however you like. Rename them to match your actual spending habits. And finally, enter your savings goals. Nothing tricky here. Bank accounts. Next, move to the Bank Accounts tab. Add your account names, types, and current balances. You can also include the bank name and any notes if that helps you stay organized. Watch the account summary section at the bottom. It updates automatically as you go, recurring transactions. This is where you'll log all your fixed bills, subscriptions, and direct debits. Enter the budgeted amount for each expense by category, and the sheet will automatically calculate your monthly totals across the year. Set it once and forget it. Payments, log now the Payments tab. This chart might look intimidating, but it's straightforward. Just enter the date, a short description, and the category for each payment. Add the amount, then update the status: paid, pending, or canceled. That's all there is to it. Variable transactions. The Variable Transactions page works exactly the same way. Some people find it useful, others don't. If you don't need it, feel free to ignore it completely. No pressure. Annual totals. This page can look a bit overwhelming at first glance, but it's actually very simple. At the top, enter your monthly income sources. The sheet will calculate your annual total automatically. Below that, you'll find the Expenses by Category section. Fill these in month by month as you go. Here's a helpful visual cue. If your net position is positive, it shows in green. If it's negative, it turns red. The annual totals work the same way. Automated calendar. The automated calendar is mostly hands-off. You can edit the year at the top, and the sheet will generate a monthly income and expense summary, including your savings rate and annual totals. At the bottom, you'll see a green check mark if your income exceeds expenses, or a warning symbol if things are looking tight. Paycheck dashboard. Head here to log each paycheck along with any deductions. Just enter the date, employer, gross pay, and deductions. The net pay calculates itself. Monthly tabs, January to December. All the monthly tabs are identical, so I'll just walk through January. At the top, you have the income section. Enter your budgeted amount and actual income, and the sheet will show you the difference. Below that, log your expenses by category, budgeted versus actual. There's a small chart for visual reference. Just like before, negative differences show up in red, positive ones in green. At the very bottom, you'll find the monthly summary, a quick snapshot of how the month went. 50-30-20 dashboard. This is a really helpful page. It applies the classic 50-30-20 budgeting rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. Enter your monthly income, and the table shows your target amounts for each category. Then log what you actually spent, and the sheet will tell you whether you're on track or need to review. There's also a chart so you can visualize your allocation. Expense distribution. This one's simple. It shows you exactly what percentage of your income each expense category takes up based on the numbers you entered in the Annual Totals tab. Great for spotting where your money is really going. Sinking funds. This is your savings goal tracker. Enter each fund name, your target amount, how much you're saving monthly, and what you've saved so far. The sheet automatically calculates your progress percentage and how many months you'll need to reach your goal. Debt calculator. Nice and straightforward. List each debt you have: credit cards, loans, anything else. Enter the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Choose your payoff strategy, Snowball or Avalanche, and the sheet helps you plan your extra payments. Net worth tracker. First, fill out the assets section: current values for savings, investments, property, and anything else you own. The total calculates below. Next, the liabilities section: mortgages, car loans, student debt, credit cards. enter the outstanding balances. And again, you'll get a running total. At the bottom, you'll see the assets versus liabilities comparison with a clear net worth figure.
This is your big picture financial health snapshot. Investment forecast. Last but not least, the investment forecast. This page helps you project your future wealth. Just enter your starting investment amount, monthly contribution, expected annual return rate, time horizon, and inflation rate. The sheet does the rest, fully automated projections year by year. Set it and let it work. And that's the full tour. You've got everything you need to take control of your finances. Take it one tab at a time, and don't stress about getting it perfect on day one. Happy budgeting!